Afternoon guys. Check oil lang tayo ng guys, Nissan Sentra. Kunyari may kotse tayo guys, papachins oil natin. Para pag may sarili na tayong kotse, alam na natin yung paano mag-maintenance. Itong si Nissan Sentra 2008 model GX. Papachins oil natin si Sentra. Bago na yung battery niya eh. Motolite battery, bago na yan guys. Palit tayo ng 4 na spark plug. Tsaka oil change. Nagpa-oil change tayo guys, para tumagal pa to si Nissan Sentra automatic 2008 model GX. Matibay ang Nissan guys, matibay ang makina, matibay ang aircon, matibay. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching here at Shell gas station. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Alright, bye bye. Thank you. Bye.